Even I thought I was being too excessive when some of my fans showed their level of dissatisfaction in one of my previous videos that I titled Polygon, because they see no reason why so simple but seems complex mathematics should be treated in COA. Not until I found this idea on internet, then I come to the realization of how vital the information I've shared on this page about cycle is. I'm going to drop a link in the description box or comment section that will direct you to the video where you will learn how to use cycle to draw polygons of any side or any number of sides. Welcome to NeedleMeister. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. This is a polygon of 6 sides. Please go and watch the video. I titled it Polygon. There you will learn how to use cycle to draw this. As you can see here, I tried to use freehand, but it doesn't work. So the only option I was left with is to pick up my compass and draw the cycle again. You will learn not just how to draw polygon with 6 sides, but how to draw polygon with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20 sides with a cycle. With this done, the next we are going to do is from the center, we are going to mark a distance of 0.5 centimeter on each line. A distance of 0.5 centimeter on each line. Our next move is going to be on the 6 sides. At each angle formed by 2 sides, we are going to give a base of 0.5 centimeter, just like base of a triangle, in such a way that on each line we are going to mark a distance of 0.25 centimeter, like this, just like base of a triangle of length 0.5 centimeter. The next we are going to do is to connect these newly marked points to the marked points at the center. Now we have 6 triangles. Sparing the bases of the triangles which are the sides of the polygon. We are going to stitch the sides of the triangles. The next we are going to do is to cut the polygon at the center through the gaps in between the cycles and notch the corners. The same techniques we used in making of this pocket, we are going to use here also. Please hit the like button to encourage me. I promise you it won't cost you a dime. Please leave a comment for me that I may know your thought about this content. I promise you it won't take you the whole day. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, that I may know that you want more of this from me. Thank you very much. Let's pin this at the center. I didn't notice that my camera was down. I'm very sorry. We still have 5 more to do, so you can still see what happened there. Let's take this to the machine. Removing the pins before stitching was a big mistake I made because it made the stitching process a bit difficult for me. So I will advise you not to remove the pins. Let the pins remain while you stitch. Using the sides of the polygon as guide, we are going to stitch the inner part of the pocket on the 6 sides of the polygon. There would have been no reason for so much difficulties here if I had not removed the pins. If you have enjoyed the process of this video, please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. It goes a long way in encouraging me. Let me know your thoughts about this content in the comment section. Please tell me what you think about it. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Follow my page and turn on your notification bell that you may always be the first to watch every video coming from NeedleMeister. I love you so much. Thank you.